Okay, flexible pavement. I have all of my notes back here too, using my dual screens. Okay, so this is a flexible pavement question. So this is rigid, don't need that anymore. Flexible, okay. So structural layer coefficient, that's 6.5. Standard deviate of 0.3. Okay, 3 bids. Okay, structural layer coefficient. Okay, let's see. Structural layer coefficient of asphalt concrete is 0.4. So that is A1. A1 is 0.4. Done. Resilient modulus of base course material. That's E2. And that's 30,000. 30123. Resilient modulus of sub-base course material. That is E3. And that is 10,000. 123. Okay. Resilient modulus of subgrade. That is 5,000, but I know that I'll change that, but I'll still input it. 5,000. Don't trust that number yet. Good drainage. They demonstrate good drainage, and I know from my... No, that's not it. It's back here. Shoot. Good drainage, good drainage, good drainage. And let's see. I know that it needs to be 50 inches. That's quite a bit of average yearly precipitation. 50 inches. Good drainage. (5 to 25 or greater than 25%. I could use 1 for all of those. Good drainage, and that would be what would that be? M2. I'm just going to use 1 because it could be less, 25% or less, or more. So that's why I'm using 1, because it's good drainage. It could be greater than 25%, but it could also be 5 to 25% good drainage. Okay. ZR stands for what does ZR stand for? So if I'm using, okay, 85%, reliability of 85%, so that would be negative 1.037. Negative 1.037. And a standard deviation of 0.3. And I think, was this a highway? Downtown Houston, that is totally 100% major highway, which is 2.5. Okay, so thickness is time. I start with E2, and I'm going to solve. I'm going to use solver. Okay. I want C3 to be, what is it, 15 million E-cells? 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will do it by changing the structural number. Oh, and I'm already messed up because I need to change this to E2. 30, 1, 2, 3. Okay, solver again, same thing, solve. Cool, so the structural number is 2.89, and I get this structural number up to that. So let's try 6 inches. Not good enough, 7 inches. Closer, 7.5. What is the... quarter of an inch for asphalt concrete and inch for base layer. So quarter of an inch, let's try 7.25. That is good. Okay, so now I would change this to E3, which is 10,000. 1, 2, 2, 3. Run solver again. So I need it to get up to 4.36, and it's to the next inch for the base layer, so let's try 6 inches again. Not good enough. 8 inches. Closer. 9 inches. Still not good enough. 10 inches. Still not good enough. 11. Okay. 4.42. That is higher than 4.36. Lastly, we're going to do the MR of 5,000 from the beginning. Hmm. Hmm. Why did it just give me a lower... Let me see. Why would it have done that? Let's see. 5,000. Run solver. Oh, maybe because I didn't run solver. Okay, that gives me a structural number of 5.5. So let's go 10 inches. Still not good enough. 12 inches. Nope. 13. Nope. 14. Closer. 16. Okay. 16. So these are the minimum thicknesses. Which alternatives? So these need to meet the minimum thicknesses. So that doesn't meet it. That would meet it. That would meet it. Still no. That would meet it. That would meet it. Shoot. 7.25. How much time do I have left? How long is this recording? Why isn't it saying? Oh. 7.25. Yes. So A would definitely not work. Neither would C. B would potentially work if the subbase thickness was better. Let me see. 8, 11, 12. See, that That gives me a good enough structural number. Cool. Let's see. 6.5, 14, 15. But that doesn't meet the minimum thickness. 7, 8, 15. So C doesn't work. B works. And I know that B works. Right? 8, 11, 12. 5.54. The structural number. Because definitely check my notes. Well, okay, let me go through everything one more time. Although I'm running out of time. I can't tell how much time I have on this recording though. Z, yep. 0.3 with a reliability of 0.85. Yeah, I checked that. Got the structural number by iterating. Final resilient modulus of subgrade of structural coefficient of that. Those are automatically calculated. D1. I'm gonna go for it. I don't think C would work because it just doesn't meet the minimum asphalt thickness. And I know that A doesn't work because it doesn't make the... Okay? Yes. Cool. Cool. How do I stop this recording? Is my next question.